Okay, so I'm getting ready to harden this part, and as you can see here in just a second, the torch, when I light it, catches on fire coming out of the handle. I'm using iMovie on my phone to edit these videos, and I can't figure out how to trim this part out of it, so just bear with this few seconds here of nonsense. We're trying to get this torch to operate so we can heat treat this part. I'm going to set the camera down here in just a second while I goof with the torch. When I take it out of the vise and light it, it seems to run just fine. So once I'm holding it and up in the air and it's lit, it burns clean and it does fine. So anyway, we'll go from there. Okay, let's try that with a file, see what we get. Yeah. Doesn't seem to really be cutting it at all. So I'd say we're a success. So now we'll set this up in the lathe and get it all level. And our piece we're going to cut the gear cutter blank out of, ready to roll. Okay, so here we got our piece of 3/4 drill rod, which is what I'm going to build this cutter out of, chucked up in the lathe. We're going to go the width here, 307. So I've got the parting tool set at 307. The infeed of the tooth is 173. So if we go 1/4 of an inch deep, that's 3/4. That's a 1/2 inch. That leaves us a 1/4 inch shank. I don't know. That's probably good enough. We'll go about 200 thousandths deep. It'll give us a little more meat in the middle there. I don't have a piece of larger drill rod, or that's what I would use. So, I've set the dial indicator up. The cutting tip was 122 thousandths wide. And I started at 200, went to 22 plus a 307, or the 122. That put me at 322 plus the 307 puts me at 629. So that's where we're sitting at right there, 629. I'm gonna make a couple of plunge cuts to 200 thousandths deep here. One right next to the other. Compound 0, until we touch. There. That's at 85. And at 0, we're going to go 200. Let's just go 185. Give me 10 thousandths clearance there. We'll back this out. We'll slide over 100 thousandths. We'll go back in again to 185. Okay, so there's our little spur out on there. switch cutters and get set up and cut the cutter.